Dr. Reginald Wilkinson, as well as the many members of the working group task force that is presenting its report today. First, let me just thank the members. Thank you for your time. Thank you for your hard work. They're all volunteers. I think they've done a very, very good job. Dr. Wilkinson and I first met right after I was elected as the Lieutenant Governor of the state of Ohio, and we were looking, Governor Voinovich was looking for someone to head up the Department of Rehabilitation and Corrections. The Governor picked Dr. Wilkinson, and I had the privilege of working with him for the next 4 years very, very closely concerning many major challenges that we faced. So I have great confidence in him, and I have great confidence in this working group. When we put this working group together, my idea was to have a diverse group, and diverse in many ways. I think every person who is on this group brought a lot and brings a lot to the table with various backgrounds, various life experiences. Each one of them, Dr. Wilkinson has told me, has been a contributing member and has really made a difference. So to all of you, thank you. Thank you for your time. Thank you for doing this. This group was put together, I put this group together to take a fresh look at police training in the state of Ohio. I asked them to, frankly, look at how Ohio is doing in the area of police training. How are we doing with the number of hours that we require in basic training? How are we doing with the number of hours that we're required, that they are required, police officers in the state, to get every year in continuing training? Is it the right kind of training? What should we be doing that we're not doing? How do we rank with other states? I asked them to look at all of these things. And behind that is my firm belief that every police officer in the state of Ohio, whether they work in a village, a suburban area, or one of our major cities, has the right to have the best possible training that we can give them, no matter where they work, no matter who they are. The same is true with the citizens of this state, or over 11 million citizens, whether they live in a village, township, whether they live in a city, suburban area. Each one of our citizens has the right to have the officers who are keeping them safe, the officers who they interact with every single day. They have that right as citizens to have officers who have good training, not only good basic training, but good continuing training. That was the basic premise and the underlying principle that I had when we put this together. We'll talk in a moment about the Ohio Police Officers Training Commission and the Ohio Police Officers Training Academy. Let me just say before I start, I want to thank the members of the commission there as well. They have done a good job since I've been Attorney General. I know they did a good job before. We simply felt, I simply felt that we needed to have fresh eyes look at this. We needed to take a new examination. I'm not aware, it certainly is possible, but I'm not aware of any other state that has done this and done this in such a comprehensive manner, and done it, frankly, as quickly as you all did. Before we begin to talk about the report itself, I think it's important for us to look at where we are today. We can have the first chart.